Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Brawl Stars on your phone and sign into your account if needed. Look for a red Do Not Disturb banner or mute icon at the top. Tap the three-dot settings icon in the top right corner to open options. Select Settings, then Notifications to review the in-game notification toggles. Toggle Sound and Match Alerts on, which clears the in-game Do Not Disturb flag. If no in-game option appears, proceed to check your phone system Do Not Disturb settings. On iOS, open Settings and tap Notifications to manage app permissions. Scroll to Brawl Stars and ensure Allow Notifications is enabled with sounds and banners. Turn off Scheduled or Focus mode if it silences game alerts at certain times of day. Also open Focus settings and exclude Brawl Stars from silenced apps under Allowed apps. Return to Brawl Stars and test a practice match to confirm alerts and sounds are working. If alerts still silence, restart your phone and retry the steps. On Android, long press the Brawl Stars icon to open app info quickly. Tap Notifications and enable all Brawl Stars notifications or game alert channels. If needed, open Do Not Disturb in sound settings and disable automatic rules that silence apps. Clear the app cache by selecting Storage, then Clear Cache in App Info to remove stale settings. Force stop and reopen Brawl Stars to apply the new notification settings immediately and test them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.